Hey yo, what's up? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy JOSHABRAHAM. Let's go, go. Just like the titles read, I gotta for study for what? Inorganic chemistry. This guy's stream is going on. Why is it on the queue? That's the stupidest thing ever. Fucking queue. My computer is so slow, bro. What happened? What happened, bro? I haven't used the X for a while. Oh no. Shit, it's been a while. Oh, come on. Where are the hand emojis? Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. This image looks so weird, right? Looks there's a shadow. It looks like there's a shadow on my screen. So, this is organic chemistry. I have to send a message to my friend asking for the inorganic chemistry exam. Fundamentals. Inorganic in. So I was wondering. So I was wondering what. There's other fans of videos like exam. 2024, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. How do I start? Where do I start? When do I start? Hydrogen is the only element that is the, hydrogen is the only element that is the only element that has one element symbol. List them all. Right answer HDT. What? What do you even mean? What justifies the use of different symbols? Which physical property of the hydrogen is used for its gas phase detection? Okay, okay. Which physical property of the hydrogen is used for its gaseous phase detection? Which physical property of hydrogen is used to determine its gas phase? Gas phase is a physical property, right? Am I stupid? Yes. Which material is used in metal hydride batteries for hydrogen storage? I don't know. What is the reason for extraordinary high permeability of H2? Loses electron greater than. What is the reason for extraordinary high permeability of H2? The loss of electron, only proton. What is the high permeability of H2? I'm guessing only proton. Oh, wait, that's the answer. Losses of electron is greater than proton. What? Okay. I understand that hydrogen is suddenly having s orbital. It's like a spherical orbital. What is the name of the method used to determine the diffusion coefficient of hydrogen in metals? How is the exit side of the sample called? How large is the concentration of hydrogen here? Give reaction equation for the chemical reaction of hydrogen and acid. What is the main disadvantage of using this as a technical process? What is the main disadvantage of using this as a technical process? Hydrogen dissociates? Hydronium? Buffer? No. Uh, Hydrogen's tendency to maintain pH? That's basically buffer. Okay. Amalgam. Amalgam. I heard of the name. I heard of that name before. What is the name of the thermodynamic formula of the electropotential Nernst equation? Let's start with this, okay? Let's start with this. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Okay. So, GPT, this chat is basically for me to prepare for the inorganic exam coming up. So I'll start with some questions. Hmm. Mhm. Hydrogen is the only element with more than one element symbol. List them all. H, D, T. I knew it. D was deuterium. T was tri, tri, tritium. Tritium. I never heard of that. Okay. Okay, whatever you say, bro. Don't scare me. The new examination date is on 23rd of February. 23rd of February. Today's 5th. Okay, that's just whatever. I have this community, right? Visit community. Uh, Should I post this? What justifies the use of different symbols? They are isotopes of hydrogen with different neutron numbers, leading to different atomic mass and nuclear properties, especially relevant for kinetic spectroscopy and nuclear behavior. That's basically all chemistry, right? Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm. You know what? I actually want to improve my stream, so let me figure out how to make the latency higher. What do you guys say? There's nobody here, but if there's someone, I want to make the latency pretty good. How is it? How should I do that? I forgot. Just a minute. Inorganic chemistry, gotta wait. KK official, yo, you're here already. That's crazy. What's up? I should I should try posting on your website. So right now I'm streaming using OBS to restream stream. And right now I'm streaming on onto Twitch and YouTube. But in Twitch the latency is pretty okay. Okay, it's not that bad. But on YouTube it's really bad. Like a 20-second delay. What we will learn? Umbe Ruba. What you will learn? Really interesting question, dog. You will learn about inorganic chemistry today. If you if you look into the stream, really good. You're gonna learn a lot about inorganic chemistry. But right now, I was thinking about, there's a slight delay on my YouTube stream. Like there's about 20-second delay. So I was thinking, how can I make that better? YouTube prioritizes stability and buffering, so it often 15:30. Free stream is not the main cause. YouTube itself is. You go to YouTube Studio, open content live, edit your content stream, set latency, disable DVR if it's enabled. It helps a bit. Restart YouTube stream after changing this. What do I do? I go to YouTube Studio, and content live. There's one live going on. View live control room. Stream settings. Enable DVR, or should I enable that? Disable. Okay. Stream latency. It's not working. It's not even. What do I do? How do I change it? Rewind stability. If your upload is unstable, YouTube will force higher latency. YouTube will always. I don't care, but still. But it will never be Twitch. It's okay. But how do I? Okay, right now I'm on the YouTube studio. And what studio? I can. So if I stop the stream for this, then when I start stream, it's gonna be a new one, right? From OBS, or is it gonna stay still? Coconut man. I'm guessing nobody's on the stream right now. Are you? KK official. Oh, you're still here. Inorganic? Yeah, inorganic chemistry. So I was thinking, should I, if I have to increase the stream latency, I gotta end the stream. That's what OBS is saying. Should I try that? What do you guys say? What do you guys say? I'm on the stream. I'm guessing. Okay. Again, again, the issue is I saw that message. Like I'm reading your message almost about 20 seconds after you type it, because you are seeing my stream about 20 seconds later. So again, what do you say? Should I stop the stream and try the new latency? Or this is kind of okay? That's a long silence. Okay. Think, what can I do right now? What can I do to increase the latency without closing the stream? Bro, guess what? Guess what? You're 10? I was like, damn. How articulate is a 10-year-old? Guess what? My brother fooled me so hard, like he made a game called Off, but it already exists. He just didn't tell me. And I swear to God, that's so annoying. I was so hyped. Your older brother. Okay. Off. That's an interesting game. Not Office 365. Come on. Mm-hmm. It's a 2008 role-playing game. Looks interesting, not gonna lie. It's similar to Undertale, or at least it looks similar. It's an interesting game, but your brother fooled you saying he made it. I mean, hey, what can you say sometimes? It's like that. Well, I'm guessing I don't have to change this, like end the stream so I can get a new uh, latency. I'll do it next time. When I end the stream, the next stream, I'm gonna make sure the latency is prepared. What justifies the use of different symbols? They're isotopes of the hydrogen with different neutron numbers, leading to different atomic mass and nuclear properties, especially relevant for kinetics. Okay. Which physical property of hydrogen is used as gas? Very high thermal conductivity, used in thermal conductivity detectors. Which physical property of hydrogen is used for its gas phase detection? Very high thermal conductivity. Very high thermal conductivity of hydrogen is used to. Okay. What do you mean? What's latency? Okay. So, right now, when I say the word latency, it's gonna take 20 seconds to reach you. Like, whatever you're watching, the latency I just said before, that's gonna take 20 seconds to reach you. So, only after you hear that, you're gonna respond. So, when I see your response, it's like a response from what I said 20 seconds ago. There's a time difference. So, that's latency. If I set the latency to ultra high, there'd be like 5 seconds delay, which is better than 20. So I don't think it's that annoying, but you know, it's there. Which material is used in metal hydride batteries? Yeah, basically the question would be, do you find this lag annoying? Why did I say that so late? Which physical property of hydrogen? Oh, stop reading from wherever. Okay. Wait. I thought the gaseous phase of H itself It's a physical property. Property. Could you explain more on this? Sometimes it's annoying, to be honest, like if I'm saying something, but then it's too late because of the latency. Okay, I get it. So, if I have to change the latency, when I looked up, it was, don't mind my previous chats. So, if I looked up, it was like I have to stop the stream first. So, I was thinking, should I stop the stream and change this latency thing? Use the same YouTube stream key. YouTube will create a new stream, but OBS does not need to be reconfigured. How do I get to the stream key? Let me see. Content live. Okay, so we got a stream key. Whoa, what was happening? So I found a stream URL setting. In my YouTube studio. How do I what do I do? What do I do? How do I proceed? Is that what I to paste onto OBS? Not gonna lie, I really appreciate you, KK Official, for checking out the stream. Is there a stream or a URL pasting option on OBS? Is there an option? Edit? YouTube monetization. Yeah, I actually like checking out small YouTuber streams because it gives me a sense of happiness. I don't know. I really relate to that cuz the small YouTubers or small streamers, it feels like they're not that crowded. That's the first thing, and I don't know. It feels chill. Now, I'm not saying just about me. Like when I open Kick or something, I go for streams with the lowest viewers. Sometimes it's just people, annoying people who not does not even talk, or it's like a really nice person who is a genuinely nice person. I relate to that. Now my question is, how where is the link? Public stream latency. Okay, there's a latency option. Interesting. So I can still change it, but no. OBS is connected to Restream, I believe. How's your studies going, KK official? How were did you have any exams coming up? No, not really. Okay, I don't think you had any exams, okay. Uh, you know what? I'll look into the latency next time I open the stream. Yep. So, what makes hydrogen? Your confusion is valid. Physical property means in this context. Gas phase is not a physical property, it's a state of matter. It's a state of matter. It's not a physical property. What's physical property though? That was a paper. Yo, that's too big, bro. Inorganic Chem, Google Drive. Google Drive. Let me pull that up. University, JKO's, first sem, fundamentals. Just airdrop, share. share. I'm making a game called Survive. Survive will be a game where you're broke, homeless, and the police are corrupt. Can you rise to fame in this dystopia? The game will include mild swearing, like types of swear like S word, F word, jackass, dumbass. Okay. Mm-hmm. So what type of game would this be like? Is it gonna be third person? Uh, okay. So there is not that many. Okay. It would be a pixel game similar to Stardew. Okay, okay. Have you started? Was that you? I don't think it was you, but have you started working on it, or is still idea on your head? Wow. No. Still an idea in my head, but I'm taking info from off. Oh, the off. Okay, that's similar to this type of game. Hmm. Not gonna lie, the off looks pretty. Looks like a really cool indie game. I didn't. Okay. So I just got news flash. It's better do not learn this because that's not related to anything. What is this one? Mm-hmm. Let me. I'm studying English right now. Oh, okay. English like grammar. Is this? Okay. Just vocab and understanding words like reading comprehension. Mm-hmm. Yup. It's been a long time since I learned English. Okay, so I should be looking into this one. No, not this. 'Cause a lot of notes. Oh no. So send this to the to laptop. Up. Gotta learn this. And the next one. 200 pages, bro. 200 pages. Lord save me. Periodic table cations, special ions name, okay. Connections to BC. Is it biochemistry? Okay. Geography, politics, okay. Oh, geography. We got the manganese somewhere around here. US got a lot of stuff. Australia got a lot of stuff. What about the China? No, China. China got some copper. EU got some nickel. What's this one? Copper. Okay. New folder in organic inorganic chemistry. Salts naming cations first, then anions. Ide suffix for simple salts, including ON for deep block. Calcium arsenide. Calcium 2 plus arsenic 3 minus. Chromium nitride Cr2 plus N3 minus. Okay, okay. I gotta get the naming a bit more correct. I'm still having a hard time with the naming. Electron configuration, I don't know that. EC example. What is EC? Is it exceptions? Electrons. Valence electrons involved in reactions, chemical changes. Last orbital filled. Last s orbital filled. So need to use group number. Stable, low energy, inert, pseudo noble gas core parts. Lewis structures. Lewis structures. These are all general chemistry. Nodes to orbital. SP use period number. D uses. What is the? Is it S orbital, P orbital, or S block, P block, D block? Is that what? F uses period number 2. Cation rules. Loose valence electron from MS orbital. MS orbital. What is MS orbital? What exactly is MS orbital? Multi. No. Oxidation number examples. Okay, okay. ON trend. Oxidation number. KK official. Have you looked into Spellbee? Spell bee, spelling bee type stuff. Just on my nose. Atomic radii, dipole, these are all general chemistry, right? AFK. What did I ask? Come on, I don't be stupid. I asked something. Yours, Yo, what did I ask, bro? Shit. Is my memory that bad? Oh, fuck. What did I ask? Shit. Yo. KK official, do you know what I asked you? That's so annoying. I don't remember what I asked you. English. My brain is braining, but it's not coming up what I Key to trends. EN trends, radius contracts, more protons are added, charge density increases. Gold EN. What is EN? Electronegativity? Negativity? Solid needs electropositive, negative benchmark. Yo, guest 1337I. What's up, gang? How you doing? KK official, do you know what I asked you before you replied AFK? Cause I don't remember what I asked you. And it's so annoying that I don't know what was it. Yo. Practice problems. We got some problems. Name a chemical formula: titanium 2 nitride. Titanium 2 nitride, I know that. Formula for TIC. Formula to name TIC. TI, which one is TI? Is that triangle means delta? Delta V. Which triangle though? Is this these? Yeah, it's called delta, right? What's with the V? Configuration and Lewis structure if needed. AuAs. Au is gold arsenic? I never heard of that. Gold arsenic. What substance matches the VEC? I don't know. I seen it in Kerbal Space Program game. Delta is basically difference. Like the difference between initial and final, you know, those type of they're they're just showing difference. Kerbal Space Program game. What's that? It's the first time I'm hearing it. Ah, 10 out of 10. No fucking way it works on Linux. Okay. Ah, the game looks pretty cool. That's a cool game. Even though it's old, it's pretty cool. Assign ON to H. Okay. Copy. Additional questions in textbook starting page 36, PDF page 66. Which PDF though? Okay, can you... Textbook starting page 36. Let me see that. Yotka O. First sem. inorganic, inorganic exam, inorganic questions, fundamentals, book recommendations. That's just book recommendations, right? That's not it. That's not it. Chapter 1. Oh, that's just 11 pages, bro. That's just 7 pages. This is not it. This is not it. Don't get me wrong. This is not it. What? I'm missing something based on inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry 1, winter semester 2019. Explain in one sentence why hydrated ale triple sign is toxic for fish. Okay. Okay. You know what? Let's get into the mega file. Yep, that's what I wanted. First semester, inorganic. Just open it. Why? Chapter 2, first part. I think I downloaded these. I have downloaded these. Yeah, I do have these. Not this one. Bunch of bullshit. Mm-hmm. What is this one? October notes. Okay. November notes. Okay. Exercises Lisa. Mm-hmm. January notes. Test exams. Mm-hmm. Okay, we got some exam papers up. That's good. But is it safe just to learn the exam papers? No, it's not safe. But we download. How do I download these? Based on the based on where they often sat during class, I could have constructed a partial PT of my peers. We'll assume the students show the same periodical. What? That's an interesting question, not gonna lie. Now, elements are currently being created in part of the goal of extending periodic table to see whether it continues the familiar pattern. If the pattern continues, the as yet unknown period H should be include a new block of elements. How many elements wide should this block be? With what element number should new block begin and end in period 8? Which is essential in your diet and is used in electron transfer process, copper metal or copper to ion. Copper to ion, right? It's ions. French fries are commonly said to be high in sodium. In which form is sodium found in French fries? Nag, NaS, or Na plus? Goddamn. I don't know, Na plus, I guess. If your French fries burst into flames after adding sodium, which form of sodium has been added? Now these are questions I like. That's a good, good questions. The program is going very good for me. I could understand a lot of things in C sharp now. I just finished methods now. The hardest part, object oriented programming. Oh yeah, you were taking something like yep, C C sharp. Okay, so part object oriented programming. Well, so I don't know what that exactly does. Chemistry is annoying, right? We can look at chemistry in two ways, or let's say you can think chemistry is annoying, or you can be like, okay, this is how the things we see out here works, and you know, I can't change anything. It's not like coding. I mean, I'm not saying making fun, but chemistry feels like a set of rules. It's like that's how things are. That's how these small objects act, and you can't do anything. You just gotta learn. Write the balance half reaction of the conversion of sodium atoms to sodium ions. Okay. Write down the characteristic valence electron configuration of the following ions. Valence electron configuration, I can do that. The characteristic valence electron configuration listed first are found in which of the species listed afterwards? Is found in or none of these. What? 5s2 sp6. I need periodic table to look that up. Okay, I need periodic table. The covalent radius of sodium is 166 picometers. Give a reasonable estimate of the following radii, assuming that the increment between radii of different magnitude is 60 picometers. The covalent radius. Give a reasonable estimate on following radii. Of the following radii, assuming that the increment between radii of different magnitude is 60 picometers. Not gonna lie, that's an annoying question. The van der Waal radius of sodium, I don't know. Cationic cationic radius of sodium, anionic radius of sodium. Put each of the following series of cations in the order of increasing size. Given the following parts of atoms that are next to each other in the periodic table, identify the pair in each set that are most nearly identical in size. I gotta bring in my boy. Gotta bring in my boy. My boy. Do you have any exams coming up, Quest 1337I? Or are you learning sharp, C sharp, like it's a personal decision? 15 the block. Oh no, I did not post more. Wait a minute. Share Reddit. There we go. Post. Let me get some water. Ow. What if I turn off the lights? We still got background light. Ow. It's kind of annoying. Oh, the second period started yet, so I don't have any exams. I'm learning C sharp for game development. Okay, I apologize if I read that a bit later, but yeah, okay. Game development. When I think about game development, I know it sounds a bit cringe, maybe, I don't know for sure, but there's a game called Genshin Impact. I don't know if you know, but when that game came out, I was like, damn, because that game worked on a Android phone with 4 gigs of RAM. I never. Is this the 9 hour stream? I wish. I wish. Yo, Saren's fan, that's what's up. Yeah, so what was I saying? The Genshin Impact, that game was like uh it looked like the Legend of Zelda type of game, but it worked really well on a, you know, handheld phone. So that was crazy. 9 days, yeah. I don't know. I don't know about the 9 day stream, bro. What can you say in that time, that lock time? I like Genshin. I used to play Genshin, but then I don't know. Is that like, did I grow up, or did the game get uninteresting? I don't know, but I stopped playing. I know exactly when I stopped playing. It's not like the game just went uninteresting. I don't know. In the past, I tried Genshin, but I didn't like it. Okay, I agree. But my main reason to like the game was it had an open world. That was like, what? You can go this place. You can go there, and this game works on a phone. That's crazy. That was my whole thing, and the fact that it worked on an Android phone, that was crazy for me. What's your favorite game right now? Favorite game? I mean, it's some game I played, right? The first game that came to my mind was Dark Souls 3, but that's like a common answer. What, by the way, what part of college are you going to? I mean, are you asking what degree I'm doing? What am I majoring on? If that's what you're asking, I'm doing biochemistry, and it's my first year. Long way to go. So the favorite game, I really liked Red Dead Redemption 2. That was a solid game. Dark Souls, of course, and I gotta say, Undertale is pretty good. It's a interactive game, majoring, yes. Undertale. What else? Lies of P. That was pretty good game. I don't know if you know this game. R2. Yeah. I forgot the name. Oh, come on, come on. Little Nightmares. That was a good game. Geometry Dash. Nah, bro. I'm I'm not touching that. I don't wanna stroke. I don't wanna feel bad about myself. Put each of the following series of cations in the increasing order, given the following pairs of atoms that are that are next to each other in periodic table. Identify the pair in each set that are most nearly identical in size. Fill in each blank with one of the following words. Acidity of a cation, a small one. As the charge increases, acidity of a cation as the charge increases. If you think about it, acidity is like giving out electrons. I don't. I'll first do this question paper just so I know what I'm dealing with. Yeah, so Little Nightmares. That's a pretty cool horror type of game. Last of Us. That's a pretty good game. One and two both were good. By the way, what OS do you like the most? I'm really interested in Linux. I mean, I never used it, but I'm interested in it. And on mobile phone OS, I gotta say, Android, right? Apple. I tried using Apple. It's not. the best out there. It's just okay. You can use it. Me, yo, crack it dumb. What's up? Crack it dumb. Get it? Crack it dumb. Just okay, okay, I'll stop. Okay. I'm not gonna drag that too far. I have a lot of hours on a specific one. I'm guessing Undertale, right? Someday I tried to install it on my PC, but the grub didn't boot it. So I'm guessing Linux, right? So Linux has a lot of distros. I think the most user friendly one is Ubuntu. Ubuntu is more usable. No, Palworld. Of course, Palworld. Or Palworld. And really interestingly, I don't actually play online multiplayer type of games. I don't think I played a lot of multiplayer type games. Yes. I think I remember you saying 356 hours, bro. Bro. If you push it, if you push 10 more hours, it's going to be 365 hours. That means you played 1 hour every single day for a whole year. Oh, I never played any game more than 100 hours. I think the max was 86 or something. For Lysa P. I don't have a life. Yo, come on. What's wrong with the little fun? Ain't nothing wrong with it. Okay. Below are the exam style answers with short, correct explanation, no fluff. You hear it? No fluff. What guest 1337I? What type of distro did you try to install? Name, chemical formula. My max game time is 339 hours. A game called People's Playground. Oh, wait. I heard about this. People's Playground. Let me pull that up. Ah. Oh, it's like, okay. It's like, I don't know how to say these type of games. It's like you can do whatever you want type of games, right? Crazy thing is, and a couple of 100-hour games, okay. I haven't beaten the second boss. So, Pal World got bosses, I'm guessing. Oh, I tried install Fedora. Fedora, that's a pretty hard one to use, but it's fun to experiment, right? You have it. I know I have the game, but I'm right now I'm trying to stay away from gaming and focus on job. And when I get a job, it's like a Pokemon, Minecraft, Dark Souls in one. Okay. Name. Oh, when you said Minecraft, I haven't played Minecraft. I never played the game. That's interesting. Titanium nitride. LCM of charges 6. 3 titanium, 2 nitro. 2 plus 3 minus. Okay. Ti. Wait. To nitrate, okay. Fedora is user friendly too and have access to new features, and also it got KDE support. Okay. I have too many hours on Minecraft. Minecraft, I never played it. Fedora. Fedora Linux. Dude, Fedora is older than me. Yeah, when you said Linux, my plan was to build a PC and run SteamOS on it. If you have an AMD based GPU, SteamOS works more not faster. It works more smooth. Ah, dude, I forgot the word. It's better to use AMD GPUs for SteamOS. Chicken jockey, chicken jockey. Oh no, no, we ain't doing that one. Get the fuck. So titanium 2 nitride. This 2 is representing 2 plus of titanium. And 3 plus, from the name, I think I should understand that it's a 3 plus. NVIDIA works on Linux too, but it's hard to install. Yeah. Uh, I mean, if you are focusing more on Python, I heard that NVIDIA is good because of the CUDA cores, but I don't think it's gonna affect me that much. I want to look into, bio LLMs type shit, but I have a long way to go. And if I'm running LLMs, it's either Nvidia or Apple. Apple is pretty good at LLM. Can you try to eat enriched U-235 on stream? I'm guessing it's some sort of radioactive. Dude, I wish I had a bigger display. This display is too small. Where is it? Okay, it's uranium, of course. Edible? What? AI, come on. It's not edible, okay? It's not. What's your favorite Hungarian food? Maybe I'll try it sometime. That's uranium. Were you trying to joke or? Beep, beep, beep. Please, how? But my chat told me to eat it on stream. Do not eat. Doing so for a challenge or stream will likely be fatal. Acute kidney failure, internal radiation, chemical poisoning. I think this one's the dangerous, right? Internal radiation. But but how does it taste though? No smell or taste, okay. Can you cook it though? Okay, now AI is gonna be like, okay, it's not that easy to conquer human beings. No, you cannot cook. Okay. One good feature I seen in Apple is this thing, Stage Manager. That's pretty good. That's basically, yeah. So right now, let's take a Safari tab, right? And I could just minimize it. It's gonna go to the side. That's cool. It's good for multitasking. Formula name TIC. Carbon in carbides is C4 minus. Titanium must be titanium 4 carbide. Okay. AuAs arsenide. Gold. Gold 3 arsenide. So when it comes to IDE, it's 3 plus or 3 minus, right? Yeah. And 3 minus, 3 minus. Okay, that's cool. Carbide. Carbide is 4 though. Noticed. Three minus anion. But in the case of carbide, it's different. Could you explain on that? Oh, you're Ever Sense fan. Have you ever played this game? Near Automata. That's a cool game I want to play. I played it maybe 1 or 2 hours. I want to continue playing the game, but the Mac Steam version, the Windows Steam, I tried to download on Mac, suddenly stopped working, and I couldn't continue playing the game. But that's also a cool game. That's a very important correction in your understanding. The idea IDE means the minus is wrong. It appears in the way the element is in an anionic. It says nothing about the charge by itself. The charge depends on the group of the element in the periodic table, not the suffix. Okay. So we got carbon. It's on group 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. 14, 4. Oh, that's plus 4, minus 4. Okay. A fusion reactor works by making helium-5 super hot plasma and rotate it. Then you get clean energy. Helium-5, huh? Well, guess what? Guess what? That's what I'm eating every day. It's an isotope. Oh, you can buy it? How much is it though? Is there a price? No, there's no price. They could have at least set the price down. Come on. Come on, at least show us. Let me know how much should I pay? Oh, I don't know, several trillion dollars. Trillion? Come on, bro. I just bought it yesterday. The house needs one for the reactor. Okay. I mean, come on, trillions? Nah, come on. I don't think it costs that much. It's gonna be at least. It's gonna be under millions. Or you did you bought the whole reactor? Maybe that costs trillions. So what was I looking? Yeah, the periodic table. I got it. So if you think about that, I think I could make sense out of it. Titanium. Where's titanium? Titanium. It's on the fourth, but it's this one is 2 plus. Okay. Nitrogen 17, 16, 15, 15. So it's 3 plus. Okay. How about C4 plus? Ar arsenic. Where is it? Okay, there we go. Oh, come on. Ah, that's also on the same. Okay. Valence electron configuration. The reactor. Yeah, the reactor costs 3 trillion. Okay, trillions. Okay, bro. Whatever you say, bro. Or sister. Or whatever. Mm, 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 mm. Dude, it feels so good to touch the head without hair. Where is the question paper? Did I just lose it? There you go. Bismuth. Bi. Where's bismuth? Where is bismuth? Oh, bro. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay. Got him. So, bismuth is 83. Xenon is the nearest. Oh, bro. So it's 54. Okay, 54, 83. What's the configuration for xenon? I forgot. Like Beatles in the city. Should I do it right now? No. I'll look into it later. So, what is W? There's an element called W. W? W? Where's that? Oh, there we go. What's it called? It's tungsten. Oh, tungsten got. I want to play a song I made. Search up Sensei MSTR. It's on his channel. Okay. I'm guessing it's not an offensive song, right? What? Sensei steers. Oh, that's what I typed. Okay. Mm-hmm. Which music video are we talking, bro? Intergalactic. Oh! I saw it. I saw. By your average sense, man. Okay. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Am I getting copyright though? Okay. Seven months ago. Sans fan, am I getting copyrighted though? It's like a video game type of. Nah, I don't know. I don't really care. Okay. I mean, I like the song is owned by not your name here. That's me. Oh, okay. That's good. Is that a YouTube channel? Kind of sounds. It's like a futuristic boss battle type of. It's gonna be a boss fight. Yeah, okay, that's what I mean. Boss fight. Look in description. Intergalactic. Well, What's in the description? There's intergalactic, there's BOBOST. Am I missing something? It was me. Let's go. It's for a dev team. Oh. It's for a dev team, Is that a Xeno? It's a game? Is it Riku? Is it there? Game. Wow, it's a Japanese. Fourth line. This one. Is it this one? Okay, that's cool. Okay, I believe this one. Not public yet. Oh, okay, okay. Okay. The developer's PC broke. Oh no. That's not good. That's not a it's not a good way. But it should be repaired, right? What type of game was it? Is it similar to Undertale type of? I'll be right back, okay? Been broke for a year now. Yeah, Space Undertale. Okay. Interesting stuff. Hmm. So, do you personally know these developers, or it's like they just asked you to prepare? Like, how's the relation? Ka metal cation. Ka metal cation content. I know them. Okay, that's good. So, okay. Could you explain to me? Ka is an acid dissociation constant, but not for molecular acid or HCl. It's for metal aqua complex acting as an acid. That distinction is the core idea. What is actually acidic here? Not Ti itself, not the free water. The acidic species is the hydrated metal ion. This complex behaves as a Bronsted acid. Why does a metal aqua complex act as an acid? Highly charged metal cations have high charge density, strongly polarized. The OH bond of coordinated water weaken the OH bond, make proton release easier. So one coordinated water molecule loses H plus, the actual acid-base reaction. This is exactly analogous to H8 plus H2O gives A minus plus H3O plus. Okay, 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 okay. What was that? The unit cell of a rock salt. Draw the loose structure of the cation and anion that are present in the rock salt. So one cation is surrounded by two anions. No, one, two, three, four anions. Basically four anions and okay. Two, three. Oh wait. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six anions. Six anions. That's basically. Yep. Mm-hmm. I'll stop today's inorganic with one more thing. Before I start the next one is German. I need to start learning German. Why, bro? Why do you? Let me know. I also need to, set the rules for Discord. Just came back, nuked people in a game. That's better than nuking real people. Miles better than real people. What video should I make, Cracker? I'ma continue learning C sharp. It's fun. That's good. Use Brilliant. Is that a learning platform? What videos should I make, Cracker? What can I say, man? I'm gonna say the most generic type of answer. You ready? You gotta do what you wanna do. It's a coding learning thingy. Okay. But this C sharp, so W3 schools is a good place to learn coding. I suggest you start it. Okay. I thought you were gonna say let's play. Okay. I mean, yeah, if you enjoy doing it, you should go for it, right? What is this W3 school? And what is this brilliant coding type of app? I don't know if it's free, then I can look to brilliant. Okay. Web tutorials? Okay. Brilliant learn Python? Brilliant.org. Mm-hmm. What? I press this? That's fine. I'm Koji. Something else? Hmm. Oh, it's not just coding. Mm-hmm. Okay, I gotta log in. Why did I accept that? Oh, it's like Duolingo, right? I guess. Learn HTML. Oh, this is for HTML. Python. Uh-huh. Okay. I wanna also I learned C plus there lol. Okay. I learned I mean I wouldn't say I learned Python, but I did an intro class for Python. It was on YouTube. It was like this was the one I did. CS50 Introduction to Programming with Python. 11 lessons. I didn't fully listen, but I didn't. I think I went till 7, 8. Then I kind of went fast through these two, but this was also really good. In total, it's going to be about under 20 hours. I gotta look into these two. I'll log in. Okay, there we go. Periodic trends, periods, periodic table structure, and periodicity. Electron configuration, aqueous chemistry, and acid-base behavior in ions. Ions, bio, inorganic environment context, solid state chemistry. Okay, okay, okay. Cation binds certain amount of water molecules to form complex cations. This one is what acts as, okay. No, this acts what? 168 pages of pure fucking sheer will. And then we got 200. What is this one? So far we covered ions, rock salt. Oh, it was NaCl, okay. Lattice. Rock salt, cesium chloride, fluoride. Mhm. We're learning about length, okay. Oh, OBS crashed. OBS crashed. Whoa, OBS crashed. What made OBS crash like that? You know what? I gotta cook something. Mm. I kept chicken on the outside. I gotta put the chicken into the oven. Oh, and it's gonna be 40 minutes of chicken in the oven. Yeah. And then I should look into German. I gotta start learning German. Well, I think I gotta end the stream about now. What do you guys say? I gotta take this shit serious because from the looks of it, inorganic chemistry does not look easy. And I should have attended the classes. So, I'm in the stream game and continue after cooking. We're gonna continue with German. Oh Lord, please give me the will to learn German. Don't fall for laziness. Oh, if I could get once some sort of confirmation, that would have been cool. And hey, I gotta say, I appreciate you guys for checking out the stream. There used to be a time where there was no one in the stream, but now we got your average Saints fan, Guess 137i, we got KK Official, we got people. That's crazy. And I gotta say, I plan to study stream for a long time. I want I want to treat this just like gaming, like studying at least 1 hour a day. It should be something that people should feel comfortable doing. At least that's what I believe. You know, 1 or 2 hours. It's not a big too much time. And I don't know. I think I could do it. That's what I want to do. I keep on eating unhealthy, and that's making me fat. Okay, I relate to that, bro. I also eat a lot of unhealthy type shit. Chips. I think I got some chips. Got some chips. But yeah, I gotta cook chicken and rice. And peace out, gang. And the next YouTube stream should have a better latency, like higher latency. So the chat is gonna be a bit better. That's what I believe. Peace. No way, we just hit 100 messages. Oh! That's crazy. Peace out, gang.